Student wants to emphasize the role a misconception played in the naming of a place. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Las Sergas de Esplandian was a novel popular in 16th century Spain. The novel featured a fictional island inhabited solely by black women and known as California. That same century, Spanish explorers learned of an island off the west coast of Mexico. They called it California after the island in the novel. The island was actually the peninsula now known as Baja California, Lower California, which lies to the south of the U.S. state of California. So, once again, the student wants to highlight the role a misconception played in the naming of a place. And so from this text, we can see that the misconception lies in the fact that there was a popular book in 16th century Spain, which highlighted an island off the west coast of Mexico. Well, an island where there was inhabited solely by a black woman, and it was known as California. In that same century, the Spanish explorers learned of an island off the west coast of Mexico, and they called it California. But this island was actually a peninsula known as Baja California. So, option choice A says the novel Las Sergas de Esplandian featured a fictional island known as California. This is incorrect because option choice A doesn't mention at all that there was a misconception or how it played a role in the naming of a place. So A is incorrect. B. To the south of the U.S. state of California lies Baja California, originally called California after a fictional place. This is incorrect because although it doesn't highlight how it was originally called California after a fictional place, which sort of alludes to the misconception, it doesn't say this very clearly, so B can be eliminated. C. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers learned of a peninsula off the west coast of Mexico and called it California. This is incorrect because this simply says that they learned of a peninsula off the west coast of Mexico and called it California. This does not highlight the role misconception played in the naming of a place. So option choice C is incorrect because it doesn't highlight that there was a misconception at all. D. Thinking it was an island, Spanish explorers called up a peninsula California after an island in a popular novel. This is the correct answer because it properly shows how they thought that this area, the area they called California, was an island, and instead it was a peninsula, and thus they called it California because they presumed it to be an island based off this book. So overall, D is the correct answer.